We are in Zhuhai, in Guangdong province of People's Republic of China. Zhuhai is located right next to Macau and across the bay from Hong Kong. Zhuhai has seen a growth in hospitality and tourism sector in recent years, together with the rest of China. In China, in 2016, there were 59 million international visitor arrivals, but the domestic market is much bigger. It is said that in 2017, there were more than 5 billion domestic tourism trips undertaken in China. And this leads to the growth of accommodation sector. There are currently more than 200,000 hotel rooms in construction in China, and the total supply of hotel rooms has surpassed 2.4 million. The occupancy rate is not very high in China. It's on average about 54%, although this number varies between different regions. This is Grand Bay View Hotel, which was built in 1993 and has been recently renovated. The hotel has 244 rooms, conference rooms, several bars and restaurants, and fitness amenities. Our school, School of Hotel and Tourism Management, holds its annual strategic planning session here. A lot has changed in Zhuhai since 1990s, when this hotel was built. The city has been rapidly growing and is supposed to become a tourism, entertainment, theme park center in southern China. Tourism and hospitality growth in China has been quite remarkable. The clientele is getting more sophisticated, and businesses need to upgrade their services in order to remain competitive. There is also a requirement for a lot of new skilled labor, which is good news for tourism education, as there is no shortage of demand for tourism and hospitality degrees. Tourism and hospitality sector will remain growing in the coming years in China, and that's good news for the business, although sustainability concerns need to be taken into account.